Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Uncle P from superezforex, and this week it was pretty choppy. There's a lot going on in the markets. I think something big is coming down the pipes, so y'all be on the lookout for that. So the markets were up and down a bit. If you check your charts and look at the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the Dow, or the US 30 on the MT4, you see that the markets were really choppy. So we did all right. We had a lot of trades where we had to close them out early in profit, but profit is profit for us. You know, it would be love to have a lot of times when it hits your TP and just looks real green, but sometimes, hey, if the market is giving you money, just take the money and run in a choppy market. So that's what happened this week. We had a lot of ones where we had did some close earlys and walked away with some good profit, and we had a couple of losses. So our record was 12 this week, 12 wins, 4 losses, and 1 break even. But the scalping group, they had no losses this week. They took 3 trades, no losses, 2 are still pending, and they totaled the week for 32.79 in pips. So pretty good week. So we are here. Here's how you can join us if you wish. We're rocking and rolling. It's going to close the year out pretty strong. Yeah.